Hey, this is Matt with Fetch Ranch. I'm on to my second appointment. It's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. These are my friends. It's got some squeaking coming from the back. It sounds for sure suspension related. He sent me a video to help me kind of diagnose it. It sounds like the spring is kind of rubbing against the center coil push. So yeah, I'll be eager to see what I find when I get there. Yeah, I'll let you guys know once I find out and get a diagnosis and see if we can get it fixed. All right, hang tight. All right, I'm here at my appointment. This is a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. My friend says it's got some squeaking going on in the back. So let's see if we can replicate this. Yeah, I hear it. Alright, now gotta try to figure out where it's coming from. Alright, I think I'm gonna throw up on some ramps and we'll crawl underneath there and see what is going on. Alright, I got it up on ramps. We'll see what happens here when we get underneath. And the prybar. I can't even tell what side it's coming from. Of course, it's probably not going to squeak now. Figures. I can't even get it to squeak. So it's up on ramps and now it's not squeaking. So I don't know what it is yet. Do you want to try pushing down on this thing and see if you can get it to squeak for me while I'm under there? Like it's trying to do it.
I think Dad was just pushing in the middle and he did it, so yeah. What the heck? Why would that? Did you push it before you pushed it?
Oh yeah, I did. I heard it. It's a real high-pitched squeak. I'm guessing there's more pressure now that it's up in the air. Let's see if I can do it this way, because I got it to squeak this way too.
Interesting. It's a real high pitch though, and I don't know what it can be. Huh. I couldn't even tell what side it was coming from.
Both sides. Even.
Yeah, it sounds like it's your spring rubbing up against the, like squeaking against the rubber.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh, keep your feet down, Benny.
I guess while I'm under there, let me see if I can move anything else that might be squeaky, or see if I can find a loose bushing. Whatever it is, it's tight now, so it's not really squeaking. I wonder if this is the culprit. So you see that? That looks nice and blue. And over here, black. So I assume that blue one's been replaced and this black one has not. And it feels a lot looser. But it's not really making that squeaky noise. I wish I could replicate the squeak. I think that should be squeaking. This thing is like solid. The only thing that I feel loose here. But it's not making a squeaky noise. I'm guessing it's this thing right here. Let's see what happens. It's squeaky. Golly. Alrighty. So what we found is once we got back on the ground and rocked it back and forth, we got the consistent squeak again. I got my stethoscope out, and through the wheel holes I put my stethoscope right on this control arm linkage here, and the squeak was really pronounced. Put it on the strut, nothing. Put it on the spring, nothing. Put it on the knuckle, nothing. But once I got it onto that part right there, it was real pronounced. So what I did, I took off this bolt and I peeled back this rubber and I squirted some PB Blaster in there, and then it kind of just soaked the whole thing. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the wheel back on and see what happens. I'm just going to put a couple lug nuts on just to test it real quick. Alright, moment of truth. Fixed it. Sweet. Alright, so that little control arm link, for whatever reason, was squeaking. So got lubed up now, get the lug nuts back on, torque them down, and we'll call it a day. Built real tight, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I could see on the back side there's some camber bolts or washers, so it's for an alignment. So I'm not gonna take off that thing right now, but we'll probably just go for now, and then if it starts squeezing again, maybe we'll get it replaced. All right, got that van figured out. Very squeaky and annoying. Customers are happy. I told them it's not a permanent fix, but it's not squeaking for now. I'll look up those parts and figure out what they are. Some sort of like control arm or something, but it's got like a camber bolt associated with it, so it's gonna need aligned afterward. But yeah, I figured out the squeak. Not squeaking anymore, and we'll go from there. We'll drive as is and see what happens, see how long it lasts, and then I'll get it permanently fixed once it starts squeaking again. The passenger side is actually worse as far as looseness, but it's not squeaking at all. At one point, it looked like the driver's side was replaced, so I'm not sure why that one's squeaking. The little rubber boot looks like it wasn't quite sealed, and so water, I assume, got in there at some point and caused a little bit of rust and metal on metal squeaking. So yeah, got it figured out though. So yeah, I just had the 2 appointments today. Squeaky rear end and knocking front end of another vehicle. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helped you, and until next time, I'll fetch you later.